Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I will be walking through the newly launched gratitude journals from Happy Wagon. So let's get started. So we have three cover options and I'll just get into one of these. I'm assuming it's the same inside for all the three. I liked it. I love how colorful it is. The gratitude journal that I used to use some time back was totally plain, and it's just nice to see so much color. So here we have, and this product is actually called the Gratitude Journal Pack. So along with a full-size gratitude journal, you also get a pocket-sized one. I'm excited to see what we have, and it comes in a box. If you haven't bought the products from Happy Wagon, like a planner or some journaling pack like this, then definitely get it at least for the box, because they're quite sturdy and they just make such a nice accessory on your desk, and it looks really pretty. It's totally functional and you can use it for other purposes. Now coming to the journal here, the images look good. It looks like it's an A5 size. We'll go through the specifications once we're through images. So here we have details about what is gratitude, why is it important, and then affirmations. Affirmations are one of my favorite things. I find that it helps me quite a bit. I have videos on both affirmation and gratitude. I will leave the links to those videos in the description box. Make sure to check out if you're interested in these things and just want to know a little bit more about it. So this is nice. Then we have how to make the most of this journal, then some gratitude prompts, then cover page. Then these are the daily gratitude pages. Let's see what we have. One is affirmation of the day, which is nice. It's awesome to start the day with affirmation. Right now I am using the botanical story planner as my journal, and I do it almost like first thing in the morning after I freshen up. Sometimes I write affirmations on there. It is really helpful. Then we have three things I am grateful for. So this is something that you write in the morning. I don't think it even would take a minute to finish this. And the whole point about doing morning gratitude or evening gratitude is to do it a little bit quick, so that whatever is in your mind just comes out and you're not thinking a lot about it. Over a period of time, it trains your brain to think about things that you're grateful for in a quick way. So that is the whole gist of it, and this is not even gonna take a minute, guys. It's awesome. Then you have, for the night routine, you have three things I'm grateful for today. Okay, so this is the morning and night routine one. Then the other section we have for night routine itself is best thing about today, then other reflections. Okay, I just find these two things to be a little bit repetitive. I don't know if it's the same. Probably as and when you start using it, you'll figure it out. And if you feel it's the same, you can just use one section. You need not use everything that they have given. Then you have cover page, another cover page with all gratitude codes. Okay, it's nice to see that you have monthly reflections too, because most of the gratitude journals are just daily, and sometimes it might not help you to just pause for some more time to reflect on the month that has passed by on the whole, rather than just looking at daily stuff. So this is really nice. It says at the end of each month, write about how the month has been. Okay, there are no prompts though, but you can use the prompts that were given in one of the early pages. So here you go, you have a lots of prompts, and you can use one of these for the months. Then we have some notes pages in case you want to do some yearly highlights, or if you want to make a note of some memories that are happening throughout the year, you can do that. Stickers, this is it's always nice to have stickers. Some nice hearts, stars. I love the color palette. It's so bright and cheery. It's really nice. And then choose gratitude. Always start with a grateful heart. The stickers are cute. Then you have a back pocket too. You can store greeting cards or any notes that you might have got, or affirmation cards, tarot cards, all of that in here. Something that helps in your gratitude journey. Then you have this pocket notebook kind of a thing. This also is called a gratitude journal. And inside it says, "Today I'm grateful for," and then you have some spot. I like this more than the main product because it's just so easy to use and it's tiny, so it's not gonna take up too much of space and time. I wish they had sold this particular product separately. I would have picked it up because I like to switch up my some of the gratitude journals that I use every now and then. I don't do it throughout the year, but sometimes I do gratitude, sometimes I do affirmations, and sometimes I do stream of consciousness. So I wish they had sold this thing separately. I would have definitely bought it. And then, okay, I think we are through the images. Let's go through the specifications. Simple things that you can do to bring more happiness and mindfulness is to practice gratitude. Absolutely. This is a 6-month undated journal, by the way. It is you will have, I'm assuming, 13 to 6, those many number of pages to write gratitude for. If you use it daily, if you don't use it daily, then probably you can use it for a longer period of time. Let's say you don't do it on weekends or things like that. But the good thing is you will not be wasting any pages in case you skip a day. Then it takes 10 minutes for you to put down 3 things you're grateful for today. I don't even think it takes 10 minutes. It'll take way less than that. Then, okay, what is there here? We have one 6-month gratitude journal, then soft cover pocket gratitude journal. I am in love with this. I really wish they had sold this product separately. I would have definitely picked it up. On a bright colorful keepsake box. So once you are done, while you're using it, you can probably store something else in here, your planner accessories and stuff. Then when you want to when you've completed it, you can store it away in this box. Okay, the size is A5, pages 207, hardcover, 120 GSM, pretty good quality, acid-free paper, FSC certified, sturdy gold vinyl binding. I really like that for journals. It's really nice. Then gold accented text on cover that says gratitude. Journal pocket storage at the back, one sticker page of 51 colorful transparent stickers. The pocket journal, they've not put the size and the number of pages though. I'm assuming it's the same as the pocket notebooks that we receive from Inkbucket. Alicia Zoza's pocket planner, it would be similar to that size. And then textured paper, curved edges, 120 GSM, and all of the good stuff. So what do you have? A note from the illustrator, explanation on how to use the journals, 25 prompts that'll help you instill the practice of journaling, 61 affirmations, colorful page to write down 19 things to be grateful for, motivational quotes, undated daily pages, affirmation of the day, morning routine, night routine, then best thing about the day, the reflections. We went through all of these things. Alright, it is pretty nice, and shipping timeline, it ships in 5 to 7 days, pretty quick. Another exciting thing about this is it's currently under the buy one get one sale, which is so cool because you can either buy 2 of the gratitude journal packs, or there are a lot of undated planners that are there. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, go check out I shop on this sale with you guys on video lifetime. I just want to show you the planners, the undated planners. So if you want to pick up, here we go. Yep, yeah, so if you want to pick up this one, Tatiana's planner. Why is just these coming? There are so many planners. Okay, undated planners. Here we have the Alicia Souza's planner is on sale. You have Tatiana's planner. So you can pair this up with the gratitude journal and you are sort of set for the upcoming year, because it is nice. It's a pretty good deal, guys. If you're new to the planner world and you're wanting to try it but you feel like it's a tad bit expensive, then this is perfect time to choose the planner you want, because there's so many choices to pick from. You have the Alicia Souza one, that one, and this hardbound. Then you have Tatiana's planner, you have Botanical Story planner, and you have the Happy Wagon planner. So you can pick anything from this and add that gratitude journal to create your own little planner world, your starter kit. That is awesome. You're getting some nice stickers too behind these planners, as well as on the journaling pack. So yeah, guys, this was the video. Let me know if you would be picking up this particular journal, or if you have already shopped on the buy one get one sale yesterday with me, then with me or without me. Let me know what you have bought. I'm interested to know, because I love all things stationery and all of this good stuff. Okay, guys, I will leave you here on that note, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.